Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams using AI. AI offers powerful ways to enhance your learning, making your study sessions more effective and efficient. Imagine having a personalized tutor available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It can help you create custom study materials, provide immediate feedback, and even summarize vast amounts of information, saving you valuable time and effort. One of AI's greatest strengths is its ability to personalize your learning journey. It can analyze your past performance on quizzes and assignments, identifying exactly where you excel and where you need more practice. Based on this analysis, AI then recommends specific resources and exercises, ensuring your study time is focused on the areas that will yield the most significant improvement. This tailored approach maximizes your learning potential. Effective practice is crucial for exam success, and AI excels here. It can generate an endless supply of practice questions, ranging from easy to challenging, covering all your course material. More importantly, you receive instant, detailed feedback on every answer. This immediate insight helps you understand your mistakes and learn from them on the spot, reinforcing correct concepts and building strong foundational knowledge for your exams. Finally, AI can be an incredible tool for managing and understanding large volumes of information. It can quickly summarize lengthy articles, textbooks, or even your lecture notes, extracting the most critical points and presenting them concisely. This capability saves you hours of reading and note-taking, allowing you to focus on understanding and memorizing the core concepts. It's like having a personal research assistant at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.